She's sitting down. Good morning. It is Thursday and I'm finally off. Woohoo! Today I honestly do not know what I'm doing that I'm gonna record. I am going to get my nails done at 12. It's 7:30. The only reason I'm up this early is because I have to take my dog out. So, and he wakes us up at like 7:30, so that's why I'm up. We'll see what I get for breakfast. I really want Dunkin' because on the days that I go to work, I can't really get Dunkin' because I don't wake up early enough. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna sit here and scroll for a couple minutes. So yeah. And this right here is my nail appointment money. So $80. Cray. So I got my nails done. Here is the final freaking result. I love them. Exactly what I wanted. I wanted baby pink friendships, short, and my nail tech sheets down every time. So after the nail salon, I went to Wally World, and I'm gonna show you what I got. I got these beautiful flowers. I really heard that like all these flowers are better, and they are, because I've had them before and they lasted a really long time. Walmart's flowers on their hair don't really last a long time, but Walmart was the closest to my house and I've been wanting flowers, so I just got those. And I thought it was such beautiful like colors together. I haven't really seen these together, like pink, red, and yellow, so I'm really excited. I love them. I'm gonna put them in my vase. And then I also got, this is probably like by far my favorite purchase that I did today, which was journaling with Jesus. I found this in Walmart. I was looking for like a journal, and then when I saw journaling with Jesus, I was like, ooh, like I really want to see what's in there. So I opened it up, and basically it's a whole bunch of like reflection questions about, like, for example, reflect on a moment of selfless love or generosity that you witnessed or experienced. So it's so many different questions like this, and I just know this will bring me some peace. Like, literally, it will bring me peace. And when I was younger, I used to journal a lot. I used to write a lot all the time. Like, I used to read so much, and I really just want to get back into that, into my inner like self. And part of one of my goals this year was writing more, reading more. So this journaling with Jesus, I think it was like $8, and it's so cute. I love. So I picked that up. And then I also got these pack of pens, because it was only like $3 for these, and I like these, I think. So we'll just see. And then I wanted to get my boyfriend something just because I didn't know what, but he loves Funko Pops. He's like literally growing his collection so much. So I wanted to add this Dan to Dan one, and it looked really cool. With my boyfriend, it's like his Funko Pops to pick out are really hard sometimes, because it'll be like the anime or things he watches, or some he won't like, some he will like. So it's really hard to get Funko Pops without asking him like, which one do you want? But this one, honestly, like, I could tell that this looked really cool and he would really like it, because ones that even just look cool like this, he likes. So I'm really excited to give this to him. It's like really cute. So I got that. And then lastly, I just picked up this bag because I was like, I want him to be kind of like surprised. So I'm going to put it in this little bag, even though it's not like a Valentine's Day gift or anything. It's just a just because gift. And so, yeah, that is everything I got. That's my little Walmart haul. I am back home for the day. I got my nails done. Didn't really do anything today. You guys obviously saw when I went to go get cash and stuff like that. I did just put me in a Chipotle order. I'm about to eat my Chipotle, and I will get back to you guys whenever I am doing something that I am going to record.